Hawaii has become a mecca for thrill seekers of all types, but when excitement leads to injury or even death, the state and counties often become the target of lawsuits. Several bills making their way through the legislature this year hope to guard against that. KITV4's Andrew Pereira is here now to explain. Andrew.
Paula, lawmakers and those who participate in outdoor activities are trying to strike the proper balance between negligence and common sense. Whether it's dropping into North Shore surf or climbing a mountain, government often takes the blame when things take a turn for the worse. State lawmakers hope to stem the tide on lawsuits by making it clear that if you take part in a risky activity, you're on your own.
It's simply going ahead and allowing these activities, but at the same time providing the safeguards for government.
After a 12-year-old girl was critically injured in Mokuleia by a falling rock at a spot known as the Wall, the Department of Land and Natural Resources posted signs and closed the area. More than a year and 8 months later, rock climbers remain shut out. Signs are even posted on the actual rock climbing wall.
Folks call me all the time or email and ask if it's open, and my official stance has always got to be that it's closed. Bring your shoes. You can still boulder at Waimea Bay.
A bill that could reopen the wall to climbers says any sign that warns of dangerous conditions on improved or unimproved public lands is adequate protection for the state and counties against lawsuits. The bill is supported by state and county agencies.
We began things late last spring, going to the Attorney General, DLNR, and our legislators and saying, hey, we need to come to the table and reach a solution on this.
However, there would be no protection for government against lawsuits in the case of gross negligence. For example, if a sign becomes unreadable.
That's taking that fair, balanced approach so that if government is indeed negligent, we will go ahead and take that responsibility as well.
We're real happy this is how government should function.
In 2012, the state settled a lawsuit for $15.4 million after 2 women had died while attempting to use an unimproved trail at Opeka'a Falls on Kauai. The state attorney general says the case would likely not have gone to court if the law about signage had been in place. Paula?